Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I am going to finally do the kitshmas wreath kit I got from Muck Brass. It comes with absolutely everything you need, so let's get straight into it. The kit includes these perfect step-by-step instructions, and I promise it was much more organised when it arrived, but I have definitely rustled through this before now. I'm going to quickly organise everything on my craft table to make this easier for myself, and then I'm going to jump straight into it. If you are a long-time viewer of my channel, you know I'm a secret arts and crafts lover, so I am loving life right now. There are so many adorable cute toys in this set. It really reminds me of my childhood. I even found a troll doll. Also, another thing that I love about this kit is that all the toys are rescued and recycled. I'm sorry, but this is stunning. This is a work of art. Look at it. I'm sorry, but that's stunning. I'm basically an artist. No one can tell me otherwise. This was worth every single penny. I am high-key obsessed. Obsessed. Obviously, I'll link everything down below in the description so you can check out Muck Brass. They might have some left, I'm not sure, I haven't checked. But either way, follow them and get one next year. This was the most fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.